皆さん, let's take a look at this conversation next. テレビでテニスをよく見ますか？サッカーなら見ますが、テニスは見ません。This expression, noun plus nada, is used to emphasize a contrast. So we say X nara affirmative verb ga, Y wa negative verb. This wa is also used for contrast. Remember, wa is the topic marker. So by adding this change of topic, we're emphasizing the contrast. The idea of this expression is that we're showing that the first thing we mentioned is not true. But we also bring up another one in a similar category that is. So, looking back at the previous slide, someone asks if I watch tennis on TV. I want to tell them, no, I don't watch tennis. But I also don't want to kill the conversation right there. I'm still open to talking about sports, I just don't really watch tennis. So I'm going to add something else that hopefully I can use to continue the conversation. I'm telling the person that no, I don't watch tennis, but I do watch soccer. This conversation is the same model. フランスに行ったことがありますか？スペインなら行ったことがありますが、フランスはありません。So I haven't been to France, but I have been to another country in Europe, Spain. So I can use that when I'm answering the question. This way, our conversation doesn't have to just start and end with, have you been to France? No. Okay. Bye. Instead, I can keep going. So let's try a few more. See if you can make an answering sentence. バイオリンを弾けますか？ギターなら弾けますが、バイオリンは弾けません。Next one. とんかつを食べたことがありますか？カレーなら食べたことがありますが、とんかつは食べたことがありません。That's one way we can use this expression, but there's also another way to use it. 皆さん見てください。What we have here, これはお酒ですね。お酒を飲みますか？ The structure here is the same noun plus nada, but we can still use it even if we are only talking about one thing. お酒を飲みますか？ワインなら飲みます。In this version, it means we can't say yes to the question 100%. We don't drink all kinds of alcohol, for example, but there is one kind we do drink. We use it to highlight the one thing that is true in a category, even if the rest isn't. For example, 日本語が読めますか？ひらがななら読めます。Or, 皆さんは野菜が好きですか？ Maybe you don't like every kind of vegetable, but there might be examples of vegetables you do like. So we might be able to answer with, レタスなら好きです。Or, 玉ねぎなら好きです。How about this one? 日本語の本を読んだことがありますか？ I would be very impressed if someone here has read a whole novel in Japanese before. Maybe you should move up to 40-20. For most of us, we haven't read that much. But maybe, 漫画なら読んだことがあります。Or, 子供の本なら読んだことがあります。Now you are ready to use this structure to keep expanding on and continuing conversations.